Hello and welcome to SolidWorks tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a simple spherical ball or a solid ball. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to choose a plane from these three planes, whichever you want to choose. Let's select front plane and click on sketch. Let's start sketch. Here are the shapes, but we are going to take a line. Click here, click on the small cursor and select center line. And just like that, click here, right click and just right click here. Press escape, see, a line. Now what you're going to do is select an arc, a tangent arc. Click the endpoints here and the second endpoint here. Hit escape. Yeah, that's it. So now we are going to give a dimension to our sphere. So what I'm going to do is select smart dimension, click on smart dimension and click here. See, there's an option pops up. Click here and give the dimensions. Let's say I want to be my sphere of 50 mm. Type 50, hit enter. That's it. Rebuild. Now the 3D sketch is ready. What we are going to do is take this line, see, consider this line and revolve this arc around this line. So how to do that? To revolve that, we are going to Features tab. On the top left corner, click on Features tab and select the Revolve Boss Base option. Just click on See, our sketch is now converted to a 3D ball. Just hit enter. Yeah, just like that. A beautiful spherical ball. That's it from today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.